Hello everybody, Sheriff David Davis here along with deputies from the Bibb County Sheriff's Office along with Warren Selby from the Make It Bibb Law Enforcement Foundation, and he's here for a presentation.
Thank you, Sheriff. On behalf of the Make It Bibb Law Enforcement Foundation, we're here today to present several items to the men and women that patrol our streets. First is an alcohol sensor that will be used to keep our streets safe, and also in your hand is a safety kit that will be in the patrol vehicles that have tourniquets and other items in there to, again, help keep our citizens safe in Macon Bibb County. So again, on behalf of the foundation, thank you. We're proud to provide the funding for these items, and just thanks again for all the men and women that keep us safe.
Thank you, Warren, and we appreciate this, and we appreciate what the foundation does to support the Bibb County Sheriff's Office, and these items will go a long way towards enforcing the laws, protecting our community, and in potentially saving lives. And we certainly have a debt of gratitude to the foundation, and thank you so much for all that you do.